2, 3.
This week on VNN News, there was a huge discovery of a group of peasants. They call themselves the Viet Cong. This special thing about this group was that it was kept a secret ever since the Vietnam War emerged. And yesterday they were caught stealing from the South Vietnam bases. Last Sunday, the South Vietnam military discovered some missing weapons from their stash. The crime scene was so professionally done, it took a long time to notice the missing weapons. But the Viet Cong didn't know how smart the military could be. They discovered the Viet Cong's routine in the theft of the weapons. They were caught yesterday trying to steal some shotguns. The caught Viet Cong were armed with some of the South Vietnam weapons. These weapons were confiscated right away when they were caught. It was confessed by the caught Viet Cong that they were trying to be some help to the war against the French. They seem to dislike the subject, the French occupation, and tend to avoid it. The Viet Cong are citizens of the South, the enemies of French. Even if they wanted to help, they couldn't. After all, they were empty-handed, weaponless, and peasants. That's what led them to the theft of the South Vietnam bases in order to be armed with weapons. Many people don't know what to think of them or if to trust them, enemies or friends. Neither South or North knew what was going on until discovered yesterday. Would Vietnam ever be one country again? Would the French win due to the help of the US? Or will the North win due to their strong military forces? The war is rough, but we hope we can get through it. This has been this week's VNN News. Gabby Hong reporting from VNN Evening News.